Join me as I dive into Dubai Mall's hidden aquarium secrets and see if I can uncover all the hidden gems before time runs out. Welcome to Dubai Mall, one of the most iconic shopping centers in the world and home to the incredible Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. As one of the top tourist attractions in Dubai, this aquarium is a must-visit for anyone traveling to this amazing city. So, what do you think you know about the Dubai Aquarium? Maybe you've seen the giant viewing panel or walked through the underwater tunnel surrounded by sharks and rays. But there's so much more to this aquarium than meets the eye. Many visitors miss out on some of the most fascinating features and exhibits because they simply don't know they exist. For example, did you know that the Dubai Aquarium is not just an aquarium but also a conservation center dedicated to protecting and preserving marine life? Or that it's home to over 33,000 animals representing over 85 different species? There are also plenty of misconceptions about the aquarium that need to be debunked. For instance, many people think that the aquarium is only for kids, but trust me, there's something for everyone here. From the exotic species on display to the interactive experiences that get you up close and personal with the marine life, this aquarium is fun for all ages. Another common myth is that the aquarium is small, but in reality, it's massive, spanning over 51 meters long and 20 meters deep. One of the most overlooked features of the aquarium is the incredible behind-the-scenes work that goes into keeping it running. From feeding the fish to maintaining the delicate ecosystem of the tanks, the team at the aquarium works tirelessly to ensure that every visitor has an unforgettable experience. And let's not forget about the various interactive experiences, like the shark cage, snorkeling, where you can come face to face with these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. As we explore the various exhibits within the aquarium, you'll discover an incredible array of marine life, from the majestic stingrays to the colorful fish of the Indo-Pacific region. One of the standout exhibits is the Rainforest Zone, where you can walk through a tropical forest surrounded by the sights and sounds of the Amazon River. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the aquarium's resident otters playing and swimming in their enclosure. But what really sets the Dubai Aquarium apart is its commitment to conservation and education. The team here is dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of marine conservation and the impact that human activities have on our oceans. You can even take part in one of the many educational programs and workshops on offer, which range from feeding the fish to learning about the art of aquascaping. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even take a guided tour behind the scenes of the aquarium, where you'll get to see the inner workings of this incredible facility. But the most astonishing fact about the Dubai Aquarium is that it's home to the world's largest viewing panel, which is a staggering 48.5 meters long and 11 meters high. And if you time your visit just right, you can even catch one of the daily feeding sessions, where the divers enter the tank and feed the fish by hand. It's truly a thrilling experience that will leave you on the edge of your seat. So, there you have it. We've uncovered some of the hidden secrets of the Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo. From its incredible exhibits to its commitment to conservation, this aquarium is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Dubai. Whether you're a marine life enthusiast or just looking for a unique and unforgettable experience, the Dubai Aquarium is sure to leave you in awe. What's your favorite aquarium feature? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, be sure to check out another one of my videos where I explore more of Dubai's hidden gems.